A rare but serious fungus infection known as mucormycosis and commonly called as the black fungus is being detected in COVID-19 patients in some states of India. Number of black fungus infections detected in Delhi, Maharashtra and Gujarat. Mucormycosis is a rare type of fungal infection that occurs to exposure to fungi called Mucormycetes. Fungus commonly occurs in environment, particularly in leaves, soil, compost, and animal dung. It enters the body through breathing, inhaling, and exposed wounds in the skin. Symptoms of the black fungus infection includes cough, fever, headache, chest pain, nasal or serious congestion, shortness of breath. Skin-related symptoms which can occur in many parts of the body are blackened skin tissue, redness, swelling, tenderness, blisters, and ulcers. Black fungus is not contagious, and most people who come in contact with the fungi do not develop an infection. However, the people with severely weakened immune system are at the risk of black fungus infection. It includes the people with diabetes, cancer, HIV, skin injury, COVID-19, and surgery. Patients suffering from black fungus infections have symptoms of stuffy and bleeding nose, pain in eyes, drooping of eyelids, blurred and finally loss of vision. Doctors have to surgically remove the eyes to stop the infection reaching to the brain. Doctors believe that black fungus has mortality rate 50%, but why this fungus is more common in COVID-19 patients? It may be triggered by the use of steroids. These steroids are used to treat patients ill with COVID-19. Steroids have side effects. They reduce the immunity and shoot the blood sugar level in both diabetic and non-diabetic COVID-19 patients. This high sugar level and reduced immune system invite the black fungus infection in these patients. The only drug effective against the black fungus infection is an antifungal intravenous injection which costs 3,500 rupees that has to be given every day for up to 8 weeks. One way to prevent the possibility of the infection is to make sure the COVID-19 patients both in treatment and after recovery should administer the right dose of steroids, said by Dr. Rahul Bakshi. Another way to prevent from the fungus is that doctors should take care of the sugar level after the COVID-19 patients are discharged. Stay healthy, stay aware, remember me in your prayers.